Fatalo Flower guys, and good morning. Welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Another Sunday cooking episode. Today is Mother's Day here in Samoa. So we are getting ready to prepare the cooking for the Sunday toonai. Special Fatalo to our Inga members. Hope everyone's okay. As you can see, me and Siave are still a bit half asleep. It is a little bit after 5 at the moment, 5 a.m. in the morning, so apologies if we're still half asleep or we look like we're still half asleep. That's why we've got our coffee here, just trying to stay awake. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's content. Wishing everyone, all the mothers that watch our channel, a happy Mother's Day from us here in Samoa. But we're going to get started with the umu now, and then we'll show you guys the cooking as we go. I hope you guys enjoy today's content. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, guys. We'll see you soon. Alright guys, so it's about 6:30 now. Preparation's well underway, so we're gonna pusa the umu now, and I think we're doing good for time as we have other stuff to get cooking. So eat. So good. Go on, cash look good.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2.
Sorry.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Saan kayo? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Allez, va. Esa cuelga. Pasang ay luma. Wala may susunod ba ay bagay po. Pasang ala fa pede. Shit, daddy, Rick.
Alright fam, so just hummus now on. It's 8:15, so we'll give it about an hour and 15 minutes to an hour and a half, only because a couple of the sides of the hummus was quite warm, so it wasn't that hot. So we're going to give it more time, that way most of the things cook well. But yeah, on to the next stuff for Mother's Day. guys, so the omo has been on for about 45 minutes. We're now in the kitchen, and my wife is joining me for cooking. I tried to chase her away from the kitchen, given it's Mother's Day, but she still likes to cook. So she'll be joining me, or more like I'll be joining her with the cooking today. So today is mostly a seafood menu. You guys can try and get this. There we go. So it's mostly seafood. We've got prawns, so many prawns. We've got mussels, we got shrimp, and more shrimp. And then we've got some more. We've got corn there, chicken wings, potatoes. You guys can see there. So yeah, it's quite a lot of seafood. Only because I asked my wife what she wanted for Mother's Day, and she said seafood, which is why we've also got the fish. Got to show you guys the fish. Here we are. So this is a yeah, I forgot the name of the fish, but we'll be cutting it half, and we'll bake the top head with butter and some lemon, and the bottom we'll use for the oka. But once I remember the name of the fish, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, some of the things going on. Oh, and I just remembered, sorry guys, yeah, I've just dropped the Osmo, our usual, the one we used last week, because battery ran out, probably one of the downfalls. But I've just remembered the name of the fish. The name of the fish is filoa. The reason why I remembered it, I just looked at its face, and this is how I usually remember it. It reminds me of a friend I had back in Faiai at Sapungao. His name is Filo, and this fish looks like him. So this is how I usually remember this fish's name, is because it looks like my friend Filo. But the fish is called filoa. Alright guys, we're gonna go with them. We'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so almost now done. Lo's just going to finish off the coconuts for the oka. As you can see there, we lost one, but still remained four, so not too bad. But the omu is done. Gives us more time for the other stuff to cook. In case you're wondering by now, excuse the mosquito coil, Samoa. In case you're wondering, I think you've probably figured it out by now. If not, we're doing a seafood boil, and I'm not I don't know how to do a seafood boil, which is why my wife is joining us, or I'm joining my wife in how to make this, because I don't know how to make it. All right, I got the egg boiling, hams on heat, potatoes, tiger prawns going in. And we'll slowly add the other stuff to it as well. So yeah. Alright, so yeah. So I think for this one we've got like baby octopus and a few shrimp. So they're all gonna go in here, I think. So it's sort of like a one pot mix. It's not like us when we cook. This qua ông cá phê ngồi với mẹ ấy thôi cá xe lại ulo sao mày đi xem mẹ là các phía bốc quen câu kia đi đúng phải anh khuyên ông mày phải ấy đi đúng phải eggs, ham, almost done, and then there's just these two left, and then the okra. So I think we're going pretty good. So the other half of the fish we're going to use to do the okra. Some more prawns to add inside. We still need to get on the other stuff here. Alright guys, so we finally come to the end of our episode. Apologies as the cut was quite abrupt. We had a few miscommunications, and then all of a sudden we were just knew that you know, we were doing the food. We're going to spend all night with the faiai kalais. It was our turn for the fafanga, which is why we had to hurry everything up again and then quickly do the food. So we had a chance to have tonight with the faiai kalai, but I thought I might as well finish off the episode properly and show you guys the results. So I'm going to show you guys our result today. Tonight, so this is what we had. We had salmon here. This is the entire seafood boil that we were doing. The fish we did with the butter. We had green salad. There's corn inside there, mussels, shrimp, can't find the potatoes, eggs. Remember there was small octopus, none of that's left. Then we've got the luau, ulu from our umu, taro, our faiai, elegi, and then our okra. So yeah fam, that's our Sunday toonai. Again, I do apologize guys, you know, the episode didn't go the way we wanted to, only because it's very poor planning, and everything's just went chaos and hectic, so we had to quickly do that, get to that with the faiai kalais. We'll definitely catch you guys on our next episode. I'd like to wish you all on behalf of the family here a happy Mother's Day. Hope you guys enjoy it. Definitely catch you on our next episode, but until then, have a great week. God bless, take care. We'll definitely see you guys soon.
And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. Got up this morning, look around and see the sun high. I grab my bag and take my phone. I shut the door and walk into the light. Oh yeah. And suddenly my phone is ringing. I can hear my boss shouting at me. You know what? He wants me to hurry, but I will not control my feet. Oh no. It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really wanna go to work. Now that I'm hearing all these wonderful songs in my head, ooh, I'm singing and dancing, I love it. I'm losing my mind. Oh yeah. My phone is ringing again, again and again. My boss is really mad at me. Yeah, yeah. He wants me to hurry, but I cannot control my feet. Oh no. It is so sweet under the sun. And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really wanna go to work.